Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thank you all for viewing. I do appreciate that. Subscribing. I saw a new subscriber trying to get to the 500 mark. Today we're going to make a drink called Skull and Bones. It's an old one. Comes out of the 1972 Drinks of Hawaii. So let's get started. I'm going to mix it in the Ninja blender with a little bit of ice. I'll just go ahead and pour everything in there. It calls for a 3/4 dark rum. I'm going to use Bacardi Black. I used to call it Select. 3/4. And then 3/4 of dark Jamaican. I've just got this brand new Miner's Rum single barrel. Trying to figure out what to do with it, so this looks like a good start. 3/4 of that. This comes in at 86 proof. It's a little bit higher proof content than your normal Myers. And 1/2 of cherry herring. Use cherry liqueur. And 1 honey syrup. It calls for 1 honey, half a honey I mean, so I'm going to use 1 honey syrup rather than half honey, because this is mostly it's half water basically. So I'm going to put one of those in there. Honey syrup. And 3/4 lime juice. All right, and I'm going to blend that up. With Ninja, I've got a tiki cocktail stem glass waiting here. A lot of recipes out there on this one, so this is one of the earlier shots at it. All right, I'm going to pour that right into the glass. A few little ice chips make it a lot of fun to drink. Keeps it cold. So there you have it, an early version of Skull and Bones. I hope you all like it. I do. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.